What's up, Shoe Care Academy? This is Isaac. Today we're going to be cleaning a pair of these Air Jordan 11 Low Iridescents with the Signature Kit. Alright, so before and after purposes, we're only going to be cleaning one shoe today, so I'm going to set this one over to the side, and we're going to be cleaning the right shoe for now. First things first, we're going to take out the laces, and we're going to insert our shoe tree. Now that we got the shoe tree in the shoe, it's going to allow us to apply more pressure onto the toe box and get a better and deeper clean. Next up, we're going to put 2 squirts of solution into our bowl of water. To clean the leather uppers, we're going to use this soft bristle brush, and we're going to use our solution to do so. So this soft bristle brush is perfect for leather uppers, and as you can see, there's already a huge difference from before and after. Now we're going to move on to this medium bristle brush. Alright, so this medium bristle brush is working really well on these midsoles, but now we're going to go back to the uppers to get a deeper clean. When you're cleaning your sneakers, you make sure you pay attention to the details, lift up these lace lips so you can clean the dirt underneath them. So the shoe's already looking way cleaner, but now we're gonna go in with this stiff bristle brush to get the outsoles, and we're also gonna hit the midsoles again to get a deeper clean. So the shoes are looking great. Now we got to go back to these laces and hit them with water and solution to get them back to life. So because these laces are a little bit thicker, I'm going to go in with the soft bristle brush to make sure I can get all that dirt out of them. So the sneakers are looking really good for the pre-treatment. However, we will be using the laundry system to get the deep dirt out of both the sneaker and the laces. So we're going to go ahead and put those into our laundry bag. Last thing we need to do is add a laundry pod, and we're good to go. We're gonna wash the sneaker on normal cycle, cold water, and we're gonna let it air dry. So we're back now. We let the shoes air dry for a little bit, and they're already looking way better. So now it's just time to lace them up. Now that we got them all laced up, we're going to show the before and after. We were able to achieve results like this using our RESHOEVN8R Signature Kit paired with our laundry pods that you can pick up at RESHOEVN8R.com. If you liked today's video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you leave a comment down below on the best Jordan 11 release.